Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. I've actually already made one trade this morning on MBLY in the pre-market for $103. That was via the chat room. I had no idea. It just wasn't coming across my radar at all, and somebody alerted it and popped up and played it. And now $103 later, a good little kind of real-time example of how the chat room and how working with others and using other people's eyeballs to scan the market with you can really be beneficial. But anyways, market opens up here in 12 minutes. I do have another order out there to short at 43.85. So if that one gets filled in the pre-market, we'll just start the recording then, and I will keep you updated. All right, well, actually wasn't paying attention. I had this order out there at 43.95 and I got filled on it. And I was talking in the chat room. And then I look back and see that I had gotten filled. And just because I'd lost in track of everything, I just covered real quick for a 5-cent move at 43.90. But market opens up here. Should be any second now. So and there we go, 9:30. So these should really start to come to life here. And let's see what happens. I'll keep you updated. Okay, looking to short 500 here at 44.40. If it can get up there. It's trying. There I am in. We'll look to cover at 44.30, and that fast out for another $50. Let's see if I can catch some more. I do like this position to build a move into, so I will try rebuilding again there if it wants to get up at 44.65, or I may look to buy on any sort of pullback. I wanted to pick up some shares there at 43.40 on the Fibonacci's, but as you can see, it didn't quite drop that low. And now you're getting the bounce from that. So I will keep you updated. Okay, like I said, going for some at 44.65. Let's see if it can get up there or not. Got up as high as 44.60. All right, I'll keep you updated. Okay, going for some shares here at 47.41 on Twitter. Got down as low as 47.45. Trying to play the 50 SMA on the 5-minute chart, but as you can see, just didn't quite get down there enough. All right, I'll keep looking. Okay, got in at 47.41, and let's see if it can push through 47.50 here. But it's sort of stalling. So let's see if it can show any sort of strength here. And there it goes down even further. So I'll be able to bring my average down, my average cost down some here. Try for some at 47.25. Got those, so my average now is 47.33. So I'm just kind of, if it wants to burst upwards, I'll be able to take advantage of somewhat of the move there. You can see the 200 period right here. And that is hopefully going to provide some support. 5-minute chart getting very overextended. So let's see if it can just pop back up into the 30s. There's the 30s. So I got my 35s taken. There's my 30. So I'll try to scale out a little bit more. There we go. Got those ones taken. Try those at 38. And I'm just trying to scale out of the remainder just because I didn't get that best entry point there. All right, so I'm all out. So $39, which was not bad, considering I didn't get the greatest entry point there at 41. But like I said, I knew, well, I didn't say this, but I knew I had the 200 period beneath me. So if I wanted to, bring down my costs a little bit more, I could, and then get the bounce. And here's more of a bounce. But like I said, that first buy sort of distorted things a little bit for me, but I was still able to pull 39 out. So up, 217, 15 minutes into the day. So a pretty good start. Let's see what else I can find. Going in for some shares here short at 49. Reason for that is if we look here, you can see the 50 was a level of support. Now that it's broken, price likes to come up here and back test it. So if it does that, hopefully now this has turned from support into a level of resistance. Only 300 shares this time, just because I want to take a little bit more conservative. But we'll see if it can get up there or not. But looking like it's already jumping all over the place, but that's how I like it. Good and volatile. So we'll see what happens with it, but that's my rationale right now for why I'm trying to go short there at 49. So I will keep you what looks like I might get filled here. Okay, I'm in. So let's see now if this can indeed act as some sort of resistance and knock the price back down. So I will keep you posted. Okay, I put a stop loss in just there at 47.52, so I'm risking $9, and it could potentially make a lot more if this does indeed roll over, but it's looking like I'm going to get hit on my stop here. All right, so I'm out. So like I said, $9 risk there. Didn't quite work out, and it still very well may roll over, so I might have been a little too stingy on my stop loss there, but regardless, that's what I felt comfortable with, and I'm not going to go broke risking and losing $9. But if this does indeed roll over, I mean, I could have made much more than $9. So that's one of those situations where things could go minimally wrong, like they just did, or massively right. And they just went minimally wrong in this situation. So no big deal. Just move on to live another day. So let's find some other ideas. All right, set up another risk versus reward trade here. Went short at 68.49, so I have my cover in now at 68.47 just to ensure that it's a winning trade. So if it rolls over, it's going to get even bigger, but if it doesn't, then I'm going to make 2 cents on the score. So right now I'm sitting in a position where it's not if I lose money anymore. It's just let's see if I might get hit here. Not really am I going to lose money, it's more of am I going to make 2 cents, or am I going to and there's a good example of me getting taken to the woodshed by the computers. Went out there and stopped me out, and then now you can see it's right back down here in the low 68.40s. But again, this is a bigger spread. But oh well. And you might have been thinking, well, I saw that you were up like $50 when the first. Well, yeah, I was up $50, but I could have been up a lot more had it actually gone my way. And now you're seeing probably why the stop loss may have been. I should probably be looking to go short again, as this is experienced what I think is more of a dead cat bounce here. So let me look at the chart and I'll be back to update you. Going for some shares here short at 47.65. Actually, looks like if 60 breaks, it's really going to go on a bigger type move. So I'm going to cut right in front of 70 up there. So let's see if it can get up there. Actually, no. That's why you always got to be checking out the charts. What are the charts saying? And I just noticed something else there on the 5-minute. So 47.75 certainly makes the most sense here. So we'll see if it can get up there. Let me bring it over. You can see 47.75 is this moving average right here. So I'd like to see it bounce up here and then be able to shorten to that strength, and then get some sort of pullback. But that's why I wanted to adjust it up to 75. But as you can see on level 2, 60, a lot of sellers up there. So it's going to need to fight through there first. We will see. Going for some shares here short at 90.75. I only got 100 of them. All right, well, I'll just go with 100 then. Not the size I wanted, but, if it's going to give them to me, then I'll take them. So made a quick, what was that, $25 there. But darn it, if I'd have gotten another 100, I mean, that'd be a quick $50, but oh well, I'll take 25. Let's see what else I can find. Going for some shares here short at 90.10. If it can get up there, that would be a back test of this previous breakdown area, so it should act as some sort of resistance. All right, I'll keep you updated. And sorry I missed that. Played the breakout here. Just picked up 500 at 1340. And was trying to give it a chance to get through 50, but just, you know, this is level 2, is a great example. Not saying it can't get through there, but there's a big batch of orders up there, and then on top of that, you know, it's that half century mark, so it was just stalling. So I just wanted to take my 8 cents and run. Again, it still very well could fight through there, but you can see right here just quite a bit of orders up there. But you know, I really do like this one for potential continuation. So I'm going to keep watching it, but like I said, just the combination of using level 2s and then knowing the kind of psychology of the numbers, 1350 being that, you know, round half number, and now you can see it's pulling back. So in hindsight here, this is where actually in hindsight I made a pretty wise decision. So I'll try to catch one more trade here. Going for some shares here at 101.63 on TIF. And I did not get filled. Let's give it another try here. Nope. Well, it even hit 101.63. I just didn't get any shares hit, or I didn't get any filled. You know, at this time, I know what's going to happen. I'm going to get filled, and then it's just going to plummet on me. So I'm going to just start and try to go lower now. There's 101.63, so yep, there it is now broken. Actually, my entry point should be at, I'll go 25. So let's see if it can get down there or not. Video's at 12 minutes. All right, I'm going to pause it. I will keep you updated. All right, well, I just traded Tube again for 1381. You can see that breakout really did follow through. And I'm at 300 exactly and about 45 minutes into the day. So not too bad, $300, 45 minutes, and still the rest of the day. I'm going to wrap things up. Now, if you're interested in learning how to trade like this, meaning with technical charts, you don't have to necessarily trade, you know, and look to sell within the next, you know, few minutes like I do. You can look to sell within a few minutes, few hours, or a few days. That's a great thing about technical charts. They can be applied to your particular time frame and strategy. I offer many courses at claytrader.com. Just go to the training section of the course or of the site. And then also I have a live trading group where you can hang out with me and others in a chat room. I send out my scans and all that in the weekly newsletter. So it's a very very beneficial service, I believe. But I'm biased, so at the end of the day, read some third-party testimonials and get a good you know, perspective from the outside. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something. And again, check out some of the courses. Check out potentially entering into our trading group. And hopefully I'll see you in the chat room. Have a good one.